Well, how would you like to sleep with animals at the zoo? Well, that's the experience local Girl Scout troops are waking up from this morning. Girl Scouts and their families made an after-hours visit to the zoo as part of the BioPark's Roar and Snore event last night.
It's really fun. I think it's a great learning opportunity. Like, how do we work together when we are all cramped into a situation where we have to sleep together?
The Girl Scouts will earn participation patches for their time at the zoo.